In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clock widget to Notion. To get started, open a free Notion widget provider in your browser, such as Indify or Widgetbox. These services let you create simple widgets that can be embedded directly into your Notion pages. Once the site loads, create a free account if needed, or just log in if you already have one. After you are inside, look through the available widget options and select the clock widget. Next, choose the clock style you want to use. Most providers give you a few common options, including a digital clock, an analog clock, or a flip clock. The best choice really depends on the look and feel you want inside your workspace. A digital clock is usually the cleanest and easiest to read, while analog or flip styles can add a bit more personality. Once you've picked a style, move to the Settings panel, usually found on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll customize how the clock looks and behaves. First, select your time zone so the widget shows the correct time. Then choose whether you want the clock to display time in a 12-hour or 24-hour format. After that, adjust the background and text colors, so the widget matches your Notion theme. Taking a moment here to match your page design can make the widget feel much more polished and integrated. When everything looks the way you want, click the button labeled Copy Link or Copy Embed URL near the bottom of the screen. This copies the widget's unique URL, which is what you'll paste into Notion. Now switch over to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want the clock to appear. Click on a blank line. Type /embed, and then press Enter to create an embed block. In the input field that appears, paste the widget URL you copied a moment ago, then click Embed Link. Your live clock should appear right away. After the clock is visible, you can fine-tune its placement and size. To resize it, hover over the block and drag the black sidebars until it looks right on the page. To move it, use the 6-dot handle next to the block, and drag it wherever you want. You can even place it into columns beside text or databases to make your layout more organized and visually balanced. That's it. You now have a live clock widget inside Notion, customized to match your workspace and positioned exactly where you want it.